This is Tuxracer. And in this one, well, we'll see. We'll get to pick the racer. It gives odds. In this case, looks like special ops will be the best. It's number 1. And we get to pick a bet. We'll go with 100. Oh, we can go with 5. We'll go 500. The idea with the odds is that each character has an option or like a trip factor that's random. Each one can possibly trip. So we didn't win. So the odds give you an idea who could win. And as you can see, it looked like he would almost win, but he didn't. And so we can continue, keep playing. So it's either Mario or it's Leo. Let's go with Mario. And this time we'll only bid 100. Looks like Leo might win. Yeah. Alright, well. That's that. And then if we quit, then we go out.